Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some caramel popcorn. So guys, in my pot I already went ahead and I add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm just gonna let that heat. Then I'll be adding my kernels, which is about 1 cup. Then I'm just gonna cover the pot and just let the kernels pop. So guys, yeah, you want to shake your pot now and again, just give it a little shake like you see me doing there. And once the popping starts to slow down, that's when you know that all your kernels have actually popped. Now guys, for my caramel, I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. It doesn't seem like 1/4 cup, but it's 1/4 cup. Then I'm just shoveling it around just so it can settle. Then I'm just gonna wait on it to start bubbling. So now guys, that it reached the color that I'm looking for, I'm just gonna add my butter. So now guys, I'm just stirring that caramel over my popcorn, just making sure that it's well coated. Now I'm just transferring it to my baking tray and spreading it out a bit. Now once your popcorn has a few minutes to cool down, it's time to put it in a bowl and begin. Guys, y'all heard that crunch? That was how crunchy and good it was. But I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And also guys, go follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.